Bandile threatening people over GBV allegations is like a thief calling the cops on someone who stole his stolen goods. Bandile getting mad for being exposed by another alleged abuser is like Satan filing a complaint against a demon for being too evil. This whole situation feels like a fire calling smoke toxic. And the one who exposed him, that's also an alleged abuser. Only in South Africa will you find two men beefing about who abused the best. Imagine getting exposed by someone with matching allegations. That's most not the call out, my bro. That's a GBV group project. Watching these two go at it is like watching two roaches argue about who left crumbs on the floor. Both of y'all are infestations. Watching two GBV accused men argue is wild. It's like watching a black mamba calling a Cape Cobra venomous. In case you guys don't know what I'm talking about, head on over to the link in my bio to my YouTube channel and check out the latest video that I uploaded. Enjoy.